guys, we're here at Lincoln Electric, and I want to show you how easy it is to program Cooper Cobot. Let's take a look. We got here about 15 minutes ago. I got a little walkthrough on how to set up a program, and I'm going to see if I can do it on my own now. So here we go. So we've got the arm in the starting position that we want. So we're going to hit start here. Come up to the arm. Hit this blue button to unlock it. Bring the arm down to our starting position. Hit the green button to tell it to start the weld. Bring it to our ending position. Hold the green button to tell it to end. Put it back to its return position. Hit the blue button to turn off the arm. Come over to our control here. Hit done. And now we can do a test run without welding. So we hit the green button. Now our travel speed and welding settings have all been set up before setting up the path. The nice thing about this control is that we have synergic settings. So we just tell it what we're welding, what kind of joint, wire size, gas, and it sets the parameters itself. So let's see how it does with its automatic synergic settings. Let's do a real weld. All right, so set up our weld. We ran a test run. Let's see if it works. So we're gonna enable the power source. We're gonna hit start. Just like that, it's that easy to set up a weld on a Lincoln Electric Cooper Cobot. Really happy with the result we got. It took me 15 minutes to learn how to use it, another 5 minutes to set up a basic simple weld. These machines are super adaptable to many different applications. Obviously this is a very basic weld that we did today, but there's kind of endless possibilities that you can imagine out with these machines. If you got a welding challenge that you want to take a look at, give us a call or email us, canadaweldingsupply.ca, and we're happy to help you out. Thank you.